channel for day number 98, 6 December 2022, a Tuesday. Got up and did my normal routine, which is the exercise, 45 minutes of walking, and that included a 5-minute jog. Took my daughter to school, worked on ACA sales. I had 2 meetings with business opportunity seekers. Went very well. I know one of them is committed to signing up, and then also Gus had my sponsor had also got back in contact with one of my customers, and that person is supposedly is going to get, I don't want to count anything until I have it, is supposed to get a really big system, and it's going to be a lot of money, a good commission there for that system. And we got a couple of deals like that in the pipeline. So we don't count anything until we have it. I learned that in this business is that, people will often say that they're going to do stuff and then don't wind up doing it, and then you get disappointed. So the best thing to do is to acknowledge with gratitude that you're making progress. People are interested, but you don't count it. You don't count it. You just keep going. You don't stop. You don't pause. You acknowledge, and you're grateful that these people at least are showing interest. They want what we have. They value what we have. Sometimes things fall through, and in the past, the old version of myself would get disappointed, but now I am enlightened enough to know, okay, it's going to happen. It's par for the course. Things drop out sometimes, but we're cautiously optimistic, and we keep going. We don't stop with one person saying they're going to buy. We keep going. So had the 2 business opportunity seekers, and then I did a little bit of remote wellness academy on day 98. So that was basically it. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.